The Motif Phototherapy Blanket, the BiliTouch, is an ultra-portable, lightweight, and battery-operated phototherapy device. The BiliTouch helps promote mom and newborn bonding while providing the therapy needed. Before using this product, be sure to read the entire user manual and follow instructions and safety information to prevent injury. To begin, place the patient on the light pad wrapped with a cover. The light-emitting area of the light pad should face up or underneath the patient. When placing the patient on the light pad, be sure the patient's back and temperature sensor location are aligned. After wrapping the light pad around the patient, secure the two sides of it with Velcro. To power on or off, press and hold the power button for about 1 second. To use in normal mode, which is when the light pad is on and operating continuously, simply press the light intensity button to set the intensity level. This will make the phototherapy run continuously until you power the BiliTouch off. If using the BiliTouch in timer mode, use the timer button to set the desired amount of time in increments of 30 minutes. In timer mode, the light pad operates as long as the set time. When the set time reaches 0 minutes, the light pad turns off. The maximum setting time is 24 hours, and the light pad automatically turns off after 24 hours. When the power is on, the status of the light pad is off. Press the light intensity control button to determine the light pad output. Light pad intensity can be set as one of off, high, and low. When the device power is turned off, while the light pad output is set to high or low, this light pad output set status is recorded. So when the power is turned on again and preset the intensity control button, the light pad output indicates the previous set status. However, when the device power is turned off, with the light pad output set to off, the light pad output status will indicate high when the light intensity control button is pressed after the device is turned on again. When there is no button input for 10 minutes, the LCD automatically turns off, but the device will continue to operate normally. The LCD can be turned on by briefly pressing any of the 4 buttons. The BiliTouch should be charged immediately when the low battery alert appears on the LCD screen. To charge, locate the power adapter terminal on the control box. Plug the power adapter into the terminal and plug the other side into an outlet. Once it is plugged in, you will be able to see the charging icon on the LCD screen to indicate the device is charging. When you are finished with the session and ready to clean the device, turn off the device, disconnect the power cable, and remove the light pad connector from the control box. Next, remove the disposable cover from the light pad. Once everything is disassembled, to wash, use a moistened soft sponge or cloth with water to remove dust on the light pad. To disinfect, clean the surface of the control box and pad with a soft brush or soft, clean cloth, wet with a proper amount of 70 to 90% alcohol. Thank you for choosing the Motif Phototherapy Blanket, the BiliTouch. For more information, be sure to consult your Motif Medical BiliTouch user manual. You can also visit us online at motifmedical.com.